BTCC is having the greatest campaign an exchange has had right here, right now. And happy birthday to BTCC because they're completing 14 years. Believe it or not, they've been here since 2011. They have proof of reserves. They've never been hacked. So they're very, very safe. And I'm going to explain this amazing campaign that they're having right here that ends July 1st. So if you guys want to participate in this campaign and basically get free money and possible airdrops as well, this is why I'm telling you, this is the most bullish campaign that an exchange has had. And they're having right here. I'm going to go through step by step the details. On top of that, right now, which ends in like 4 days, they're also having, they always have these campaigns. This is a big one because it's their 14-year anniversary. But they always have these smaller campaigns where you can basically just trade certain altcoins and then you'll get like $5, $10, $25, depending on your trading volume. So they're one of the best exchanges out there for giving you guys basically free money. And on top of all these campaigns, if you guys use my link, only using my link, you'll get, on top of that, you get 10% deposit bonus on all deposits over $500. So on top of all these campaigns where you're going to get a bunch of more free money, you'll get 10% deposit bonus only using my link, which I'll put it in the pinned comment as well as in the description for BTCC. So shout out to BTCC. And again, they have proof of reserves 2011. What exchange has been here since 2011, right? And hasn't had any hacks or anything like that. So let's check out here. BTCC turns 14, ready to earn. What counts? So I'm going to show you here the details. Now this basically ends July 1st. Okay, so you have till July 1st, which is not that bad. I mean, it's you guys still got a good at least a week plus a couple days. So yeah, so BTCC 14 years momentum badge. This exclusive badge is a symbol of celebration and becoming of something new at BTCC. So this is the badge that you'll get for basically following this campaign. Okay. By earning this limited edition emblem, you unlock immediate rewards, exclusive community experiences, and redacted with more to come. So this is where airdrops, you can possibly get more airdrops in the future. Okay. This badge will never return. Once it's gone, it's gone. So this is pretty important because it's not just a one-time campaign, right? You do it one time, you always have the badge and you can always get airdrops in the future. So exclusive benefits for badge holders, airdrops and special rewards, exclusive campaigns specific to badge holders. Okay, so they will have campaigns exclusively only for badge holders for this badge. Immediate rewards, earn prizes upon qualification for the badge. Badge recognition, public ID, applicable in future community features on BTCC, unique role and channel on community channels such as Discord. Okay, so these are the tasks. Earn your badge and also claim $140, which is not bad. I mean, which exchange out there is offering $140 part of a campaign, right? Plus future airdrops. So deposit 200 worth of tokens. Again, if you deposit over 500, you get 10% deposit bonus on top of that using my link below. Okay, but for this specific campaign, it's 200 worth of tokens. So if you do deposit over 500, this would count as part of the campaign. All right, achieve VIP 2 during this event period. So you would achieve, and you could just look at the VIP section. It'll tell you how to achieve VIP 1, VIP 2, which isn't that. It's a lot of it is based on trading volume. Okay, so then cumulative trading volume, trade 200K or more to earn $14 plus $14 USDT. Cumulative trading volume, trade 1 million or more to be eligible for BTCC 14 years of momentum badge. And spot trading, this is optional. Complete a trade and spot trading. Copy trading, put in a copy trade. It's basically you put in money for a copy trader to do trades for you, and you get money if they do well or not. These are two our options. And then another one option is refer a friend, invite a friend to BTCC. And then some of the social tasks, which is super easy. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Follow on X, join the Discord. This one, so every day unlocks a new task. So these are the first two right here. So, June 20th, task number 3 is going to be right here. It's probably something to do with social media. But again, these are super easy. You can just follow them on X, join their Discord. Again, guys, this is all free money just for following these steps. And then the 28th is the last day for the 7th task here. All right. And then the badge is going to look something like that. It's going to have 14. It says right here, forged in the spirit of BTC's 14-year milestone. You'll basically get the badge. Hold it with pride. It means what you make it count. And then some terms and conditions. Our rewards are sent as trading funds unless specific. Rewards will be distributed within 5 business days after the end of the event. So after the event, 5 business days, it will be distributed. All right. So yeah. So this is basically it. And again, what has me very excited too is the airdrops, because they do have a really good amount of airdrops for BTCC, as well as other big campaigns that can be exclusive for this badge. So I will be participating in this because I want to get that badge to have exclusive campaigns in the future, as well as airdrops and other things. So it's not just about 140, right? The $140 to be able to claim, but also getting this badge for future rewards, just like it says right here. And again, I don't think there's any other exchange out there that's offering this long-term reward system. And they're always having campaigns just like this one, where they'll basically get certain altcoins for you to trade, and then if you trade them based on your trading volume, which is super easy to build up, you can get up to $100 basically. So, and they have one of the best, by the way. BTCC is KYC free, meaning you don't need to have KYC. You don't need to have KYC, and on top of that, they're VPN free, because there's some exchanges out there. There's a couple ones out there that are KYC free, but you do need a VPN. With BTCC, you just download the app. All you need is a password, an email. Obviously, try to have the authentication. It's annoying, but 2FA is super important. And then that's it. You don't need to do KYC. And you can trade up to, like, if I go right here in the futures, they have up to 100x, which is super, really, really good for non-KYC, right? You can see right here, this is the main page, but if you go right here to the futures, it's super simple to use, and you can see, right? I mean, they have, up to 500x. I think 500 is, wow, yeah. I mean, you can actually get up to 500, which is insane for a non-KYC. Now, I'm pretty sure this is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, that one can go up to that crazy amount of X's. But obviously other altcoins, let's pick a lower cap altcoin here, maybe like Brett, I guess. Brett, right, it only goes up to 50x, which is still not bad. I mean, I don't know. You better be careful trading altcoins at 50x, but it's lower because they're altcoins, right? They don't have as much liquidity as Bitcoin. But they're a super simple exchange. On the app, it's even more simple. If you guys want a video on tutorial on how to use their leverage trading, because this is what I use for my trading community, it's BTCC. Comment below for like a beginner video on that. But again, guys, do this, guys. Definitely do this. This is free money, and it's free future money, as well as having this badge. I will be participating on this, and I will be, doing all the tasks here. Again, I'll leave the link in the description below for you guys to join, and also get the 10% deposit bonus right here, and you'll be able to get 10% deposit bonus and over $500 worth of deposit. So I'll keep you guys updated on BTCC and everything that deals with them. Love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.